Understanding nutrition labels. Understanding nutrition labels is a key skill for anyone in healthcare. Whether you're educating patients, making dietary recommendations, or supporting overall wellness. Key components. Let's break down the key components of a nutrition label so you can read and interpret them with confidence. We'll use this label for reference. Serving size. This is found at the top of the nutrition facts table and tells you exactly how much of the product the listed information refers to. Serving sizes come in common household measurements, such as in cups, teaspoons, or tablespoons. For example, a third cup. A number of pieces. For example, 6 crackers. A fraction of the food. For example, a quarter pizza. The common household measurements is followed by the metric equivalent in grams, g, or milliliters, ml. In this case, the serving size is 1 cup, or 250 milliliters. It's important to compare the serving size to the actual amount someone eats. If a person eats double the serving size, they're also consuming double the calories and nutrients. Calories per serving. This number will tell you how much energy is in one serving of the food. In the example shown, there are 110 calories per serving, meaning 110 calories for 1 cup, or 250 milliliters. Knowing this can help track dietary needs, whether it's achieving weight goals, managing chronic conditions, or promoting balanced eating. Amount of nutrients. In Canada, nutrition labels must include information on 12 core nutrients, which help consumers assess the nutritional value of a food item. These nutrients are fat, carbohydrates, protein, saturated fat, trans fat, fiber, sugars, cholesterol, sodium, potassium, calcium, and iron. Even if the amount of any of these nutrients is 0, as many are on the example label, they are still required to be listed. This ensures a complete picture of the food's nutritional makeup. Some of these, like fiber and iron, are nutrients many people need more of, while others, like saturated fat and sodium, should often be limited depending on an individual's health needs. Being able to interpret this information is essential for healthcare students, as it enables them to provide accurate and practical dietary guidance. Percentage of daily value. The percent daily value, or percent DV, tells you whether a serving of food is low or high in a particular nutrient. As a general rule, 5% DV or less is considered a little, and 15% DV or more is considered a lot. For example, the sample label shows 22% DV of sugars, which is considered high. Most nutrition labels in Canada are required to include this interpretive statement to help consumers quickly assess whether a product is a good source of nutrients, like fiber or calcium, or if it might be high in nutrients that should be limited, such as sodiums or sugars. The percent DV is calculated based on a standardized table of daily values, which outlines recommended nutrient amounts for specific age groups. These reference points allow the percent DV to serve as a consistent benchmark, making it easier to compare the nutrient content of different foods and make informed dietary decisions. For healthcare students, learning to read nutrition labels isn't just about personal health. It's about building the knowledge to guide others. Whether you're working with patients who have diabetes, heart disease, or food intolerances, being able to explain a nutrition label clearly can help support better food choices and overall health outcomes.